everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn about the numbers in French. So we write the numbers in French exactly the way we do in English, but the number names and their pronunciations are different. So let's look at the first one, 0, but in French we will pronounce it as 0. Then we have the number 1, which in French is un. So this one is un. Then we have deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, 10. After this we have 11, which is onze, douze, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 et 20. In French, if you know the numbers 0 to 20, it will be a very easy task for you to learn the next numbers, because 0 to 20 numbers are getting repeated again and again, as you can see here. So for numbers 21, 31, 41, 51, 61 and 71, we add this word et in the middle, and et is like pronounced as a, and it means and in French. So we add this et only in these ones numbers 21, 31, 41, 51, 61 and 71. And we already know that 20 is 20 in French and 1 is 1. So it becomes 21. Then we have the next number 22. We know 20 is 20 and 2 is the. So it's 22. Similarly, 20 is 20, 3 is 3. So 23 is 23. Then 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and the new number name is 30, which is used for 30. Now let's look at 31. We know that 30 is 30. We know 1 is 1. And we know that for these 21, 31, 41, we will add et in the middle, so it becomes 31. Next we have 32. We know 30 is 30, 2 is the, so 32. 33 is 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and the new number name for 40 is 40. 41 again, we know 40 is 40, 1 is 1, and we'll add et in the middle, so 41 is 41. 42, 42, then we have 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and the new number name for 50 we have 50. So now we have the number 51, and we know 50 is 50 in French, 1 is 1, and we add a in the middle, so this becomes 51. Then we have 52, 52. Then we have 53, 53, and similarly the same pattern is followed here also. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and then we have the number 60, for which we have the number name 60. 60 is 60, 1 is 1, so it becomes 61. Similarly, we have 62, it is 62, then we have 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. For 70 we have 70. So if you break this word and translate it into English, it becomes 60 and 10. We know 60 is 60 and these is 10. We know what comes after 10, right? After these, after the number 10 we have 11. Similarly here also after 10 we will get 11. After these we will get 11. 11 is 11 in French, right? So 70 is 70, and for 71 we will say 60 and 11. 71, right? And for 72 we have 60 and 12 coming together making 72. 72. Then we have 73, for which the number name is 73, which is 60 and 13, which makes 73. 73. Next we have 74, then 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, And then we have the number 80, for which the number name is 80. 80, you know, 4 is 4, 1 is 20. So here it's like 4 20s. 4 into 20, we know 4 20s. If we have 24 times, we get 80, 81. For 81 and 91, we will not add ET in the middle. Please remember that. It is added only till 71. So 81, 81. 82. You remember this, 82 is 80. 4 20s, it is 80, and the is 22, and the is 2. So 82, 82. Similarly, for 83, we have 80, which is 80, and 3, which is 3. Then 84, 80 is 80, 4 is 4. Similarly, 85, 80, 80, and 5. Next we have 86, 86, 87, 88, 89, and here after 9 we will use 10. So 90 will become 90. 80 and 10 coming together to make 90. 90, which is 90. And again the same pattern will be followed for the next numbers. After 10 we have 11. After these we will get ones. So here also we'll follow the same pattern. 91 will be 80 ons, because after 10 we have 11. After these we get 11. After these we get ons. So 91 will be 80 ons, which is 80 and 11 adding up together to make 91. For 92 we will say 80 douze, 80 and 12 coming together to make 92. 93 will be 83. 80 is 80, and 13, you remember 13 was 13, so it is 93. 94 will be 14, then 15, 16, 17. You remember 80 was 80, 17 was 17. So 80 and 17 make 97. Then we have 98, 98. 99 will be 99, and 100 will be 100. So let's look at some big numbers also. Les grands nombres, the big numbers. So 100 we already know, it is 100. So 200 will be the 100, which is 2 hundreds. 300 will be 300, which is 3 hundreds. Similarly, the same pattern will be followed till 900, and then we get 1000, which is mille. Then after mille, we have 10,000, which will be these mille. These, you remember, it is 10 and mille is 1000, which makes 10,000. Then we have 100,000s, which will be 100 mille. You know, 100 is 100, mille is 1000, so this is 100,000. Then we have 1 million, which is a million. You remember is 1 and million is million. Then we have 1 billion, which is a milliard. This will be billion. So thanks for watching everyone. I hope you all learned something today. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your likes and comments. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.